Hello guys, myself Dharmendra Lodha and my channel name is Divyansh Lodha, and I will explain you about the real life application of science and facts. And if you like the videos, please subscribe my channel, and for more updates please press the bell icon. Now today's topic is real life reactions and equations. First of all, how to know what is reaction. So there is two things. One is reactant and another one is product. We will take a reactant left hand side and product right hand side. Now, like A plus B gives C plus D. Now you think about that, if A plus B then it gives AB, but here C plus D, because reactants are different and they gives a new product, because in any chemical reaction new product is formed. Now we see any example, like hydrogen react with oxygen gives water. Now we see how to balance the reaction. So we write here in reactant, first we see H 4 atoms, oxygen 2 atoms in left hand side. Right hand side 2 2 4 means hydrogen contain 4 atoms, and this 2 for O also means oxygen also. So oxygen 2 means equation is balanced. Now different types of reactions are there. Like first reaction, combination reaction. In this reaction, when we combine two simple elements or one element and compound to give a simple single product, that is called combination reaction. Example, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water, like that. Reaction is decomposition reaction. In this reaction, the decompose, meaning of decompose means breakdown. Breakdown of compound. In this reaction, we break down of any compound like FeSO4, 2FeSO4, when we give the heat. This delta is a sign for heat. It gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. This is called breakdown of compound. So this reaction is called decomposition reaction. Now next reaction, displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, what will happen? Highly reactive elements displace low reactive elements. For example, copper sulfate react with sodium. It gives Na2SO4, means sodium sulfate plus copper. Means sodium is highly reactive, so it will displace the copper and form sodium sulfate and gives out copper. This is displacement reaction. Now next, double displacement reaction. In this reaction, exchange of ions. Exchange of ions means, now you see the example. Barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. Here sodium having a di negative and barium having a di positive. Chlorine having single negative and sodium having single negative. So single negative react with single negative and di positive react with di positive. This is called exchange of ions. So they form sodium chloride plus barium sulfate. Now next, oxidation. In oxidation reaction, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. For example, 2H2 react with O2 gives 2H2O. Copper react with oxygen to gives copper oxide. Now next is reduction. Reduction means reduce. Here removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Same thing here. 2H2O react with O2 gives H2O. And last one is redox reaction. It is a combination of reduction and oxidation combined to form redox. Copper oxide react with H2 gives H2O plus copper. Copper oxide is reduced and hydrogen is oxidized. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच. अगर इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर करें.